Ever wondered what a proxy is and how it works? The term proxy might seem daunting, but it's a fascinating concept that's integral to the digital world we live in. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of proxies, exploring their various types, features, and use cases. A proxy, in essence, is a software instance or server that plays the intermediary between a client device and a destination server. Think of it as a middleman in the virtual world. It receives requests from clients and then forwards these requests to the destination server on the client's behalf. But why do we need this middleman? Proxies serve a multitude of purposes and offer a range of functionalities, such as caching, security, content filtering, and network optimization. They're like multi-tool Swiss Army knives in the digital landscape, capable of accomplishing multiple tasks. Moving on, let's look at the different kinds of proxies. First up, we have HTTP proxies. These are specifically designed to handle web traffic and are used to cache web pages and files, which can significantly speed up access to resources. Next on the list are SOCKS proxies. Unlike HTTP proxies, these are not limited to web traffic and can handle any type of traffic. They're the go-to choice when the goal is to simply route traffic through a different location, irrespective of the protocols being used. Then we have reverse proxies. These are deployed by websites to offload traffic from their servers. They act as a gatekeeper, controlling access to a server, which can help protect the server from traffic spikes and attacks. Transparent proxies, on the other hand, are quite stealthy. They intercept communication without any changes, hence the term transparent. They're commonly used in businesses and schools to monitor and control internet usage. Moving on to SSL/TLS proxies, these are used to add an extra layer of encryption between the client and the server, enhancing security and privacy. Anonymous proxies are all about privacy. They hide the client's IP address, making it difficult for the destination server to determine the client's location. Highly anonymous proxies take this a step further. Not only do they hide the client's IP address, but they also make it seem like the request is coming directly from the server, providing an even higher level of anonymity. Finally, we have load balancing proxies. These are used to distribute client requests across multiple servers, preventing any single server from becoming a bottleneck and ensuring smooth and efficient functioning of the system. To sum up, a proxy is a versatile tool in the digital world, serving as a bridge between a client device and a destination server. With various types like HTTP, SOCKS, reverse transparent, SSL/TLS, anonymous, highly anonymous, and load balancing proxies, each offering specific features and use cases. The world of proxies is as diverse as it is fascinating. Whether it's for enhancing privacy, bypassing restrictions, improving performance, or distributing requests, there's a proxy for almost every need. And with that, we conclude our journey into the world of proxies. Remember, in the vast digital landscape, proxies are your multi-tool Swiss Army knives, versatile, useful, and integral to the functioning of the digital world.